Okay, this is the video part of the tutorial on using the EZB4 UART port to read the dual axis compass made by Sure. That's the DC SS503V100. I have a diagram in the forums and also at dragontier.com that shows the wiring and how to wire this up, but we are not using the I2C port here. We're using the UART communication port. Okay, now all the wiring set up, everything good. Let's turn our robot on. Okay, I'm going to wait a second.
I have successfully connected to your network.
There we go. Okay, now let's connect to the robot. Alright, now I don't have any servos or anything in this example. In fact, I've uploaded this example here to the cloud, the public cloud, so you can just go grab this if you like. Okay, I'm going to just say start and make sure everything's still working. Okay, you can see here I'm getting a compass reading. We're at 122, 123 degrees. I'm also logging that to the graph. I'm going to turn this for a second. Let's get him moving around. And you can see how the graph changes as he as the angle and degrees change as well. Okay, the other thing I did, if you notice it over here in the variable watch, I have isolated the 187 out of the degree angle and set a variable to an angle. So it's going to be very easy to use this to tell your robot like to turn or do something until a certain angle is reached. It just seems pretty easy to me. Okay, I'm going to stop this now. So that's kind of a demo of what's going on there. These other programs were like other programs that I like. One reads really, really slow. The other one reads faster. And then this one here actually charted to the chart. So those are my beta scripts, if you want to put it that way. Now, what I would love is if DJ Shores, hey buddy, I love your system. All this stuff is awesome. But if you could add something like, for instance, when we pull this up, let me pause it. Okay, when we pull this up, it would be so nice to have a compass that that can just like read an angle and just show it, so that we can like use it with other compasses. We can use this tool with other compasses besides using I2C. In other words, it'd be nice just to configure it to be able to say read value from variable, add the variable to your, change the variable in one of your scripts and just have this change and point to the degree. That would be super nice. Also too, this disconnecting that's going on, guys, with the I2C version, I'm not so sure it's just the I2C. I think there may be some kind of coding issue inside of EZB, because I've used the same controller, the same sensor on other boards, on an Adreno Uno, on a PIC, on an Adreno Mega board, and I didn't have those issues. I was able to read the data coming from the chip really easy, and my wire links were 6 to 8 inches. Didn't seem to have a whole lot of issue there. But I will show you what just happened. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but when I pulled that up, it disconnected me. I don't even have this connected to the I2C. If I just add that compass to a project and give it long enough, the project will crash, and it will disconnect from the robot without setting any settings, just by the fact that it's there. So I don't know, something's really crazy with that. In fact, watch here, I'll connect. It may not connect now. After that happens, sometimes I have to reset the robot before I can get it to connect again, which is kind of sad. But yeah, it would be really nice, DJ, if you can just add us a little control there that possibly just shows that little radar going.
I have successfully connected to your network.
And here, let me connect to the robot now. Okay, now all I'm going to do is just add that and just give it a few seconds and it'll crash. There we go. Boom. And in fact, the error message that comes up there is the exact same error message I get when it is connected to the EZB platform. Okay, guys, man, I hope that helps. If there's anything I can do to help make this happen for you, if this is what you're trying to do, please let me know, or just ask around the forums. Everybody in the EZB forums is dead awesome, man. Okay, guys, take it easy and have a good one. Bye-bye.